Show everybody you know how to clean up your room.
Okay.
She's supposed to be picking up those toys and putting them in the toy bin. She being a silly Millie.
I'm not being a silly idiot.
You kind of are. Now she distracted. Okay. Be careful. Let's get cleaning.
Yeah. I'm gonna clean my closet. You clean the room.
Is that fair?
Yeah.
It's not. Better stay down.
We gotta play fair.
That's not fair. I'm doing most of the work. If you clean the closet's not dirty.
Yeah.
You got trash. I should get a trash bag. You got a Happy Meal on your. Okay. Look, I'm like stepping across a mess. Like I have to step across in her room like this. The bed is a mess. I could have started the bed. I'm starting this corner just because I'm over here. It's a whole bed. Camille's table. She's going to assist. We're using Clorox disinfecting wipes. I don't really like you using these wipes, but as long as we wash our, keep it clean and only use it on the table and not on our face, right?
No, but
We're only gonna wipe the table.
yeah.
You need to wipe that chair over there too.
This year?
Yeah, you see that mess you made on it? I'm gonna wipe this chair. Wipe it off good so get all the mess off. Because we want to keep our things clean so they can always be nice, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you can wipe the table when you're done. How does the table wobbling? It need to be tightened. Wipe the table. We got some breakfast. I allowed her to eat up here earlier, and we made a little bit of a mess. See, like, what is that? I don't know what that is.
When I was eating my cereal, I spilled it.
That's what. So,
You got that. You can't.
what was that? No.
That was my monster noise.
Oh, that's scary. Real scary there. We gotta be careful with our table because you got some stains.
I can wash off my stains.
Can you? I hope so. I'm gonna wipe this table off some more. And look, it's food in your. Oh, God. You gotta be careful. You didn't clean this. Look at this. Let me give it a go.
I can give it a
Okay,
go.
scrub a little harder.
I am scrabbling.
Scrubbing.
I am.
Did it all come off? Good job.
I got it off with my nail.
Good job. Now you can push it back up to the table. We did it. Nice job. Now we gotta let it dry. Push the chair up to the table. Because you're all done. Cool.
The sides of the table need to be clean.
Yes, right.
So we didn't clean them.
I did. Did you clean the side of your chair?
Yeah. Because you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I'm the spot checker, not you. I know what's clean.
Oh, I want to be the spot checker.
Okay, you can be the spot checker. It's your room. You can double check. You the spot checker. This your room. I'll let you be the spot checker. Because you're doing a good job.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Better than you.
Okay, it's not a competition. Everything is not a competition. Where do you get that from? Me?
My daddy.
Oh, daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell daddy, next time daddy try to make something a competition, you let him know everything is not a competition.
Yeah. Daddy knows best, but Camille knows best. Daddy don't know best, and Camille do.
Oh, okay. All right, tell everybody thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Can you look? No, look at the camera. Stand up and say it. Silly Millie. Say it.
After a while, crocodile.
That's not what I said. Say thank you for watching.
See you later, crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
I say after a while, crocodile. You say see you later, alligator.
Okay, let's stand over here and I'll say it. No, stand right there. See you later, alligator.
I don't know how to say it.
After a while, crocodile.
Crocodile. After a while, crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
Put that in the trash.
After a while, crocodile. After a while, crocodile.